If you're looking for a cost-effective way to improve your Laurel home's appearance, comfort, and value, replacing your doors should be at the top of your list. Many homeowners overlook the impact that a door replacement can have, but the truth is, it's one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and secure living space, here's how door replacement in Laurel can enhance your home's value in more ways than one. Improve your home's first impression. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn-out, faded, or outdated door can make your entire property seem neglected, even if the rest of the house is in great shape. On the other hand, a stylish, freshly installed door can instantly improve your home's curb appeal. In real estate, first impressions matter. Potential buyers often decide how they feel about a home within seconds of seeing it. By replacing your old door with a new one that complements your home's architecture and color scheme, you can create a welcoming entryway that adds instant charm and sets your home apart from others on the market. Increase energy efficiency. In Laurel, where temperatures fluctuate throughout the year, energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners. Old doors often have poor insulation, warped frames, and worn-out weather stripping, which allow drafts and outside air to creep in. This makes it harder, and more expensive, to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. A modern, energy-efficient door helps seal your home properly, reducing air leaks and helping your heating and cooling systems work more effectively. Not only does this save you money on your utility bills, but it also adds value to your home by appealing to eco-conscious buyers who prioritize energy savings. Enhance home security. Your doors are one of the primary entry points to your home, so it's crucial they provide proper security. An old or damaged door is more vulnerable to break-ins, which can put your family and belongings at risk. Replacing your exterior doors with stronger, more secure models enhances your home's safety and gives you peace of mind. Features like multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials can make a big difference in deterring potential intruders. Prospective buyers will also see a newer, more secure door as a desirable feature, further adding to your home's value. Reduce maintenance costs. Older doors often require a lot of upkeep, from repainting and sealing to repairing cracks and replacing weather stripping. Over time, those small maintenance tasks add up. New doors are designed with durable, low-maintenance materials like fiberglass, steel, or high-quality wood that resist wear and tear better than older models. This means you can spend less time and money on upkeep and enjoy a door that looks and performs great for years. Buyers will appreciate knowing they won't have to worry about frequent repairs or maintenance after moving in. Offer a great return on investment. One of the best things about replacing your doors is the excellent return on investment, ROI, it offers. Studies consistently show that door replacement is one of the highest ROI home improvement projects you can undertake. A relatively modest investment in a new door can significantly increase your home's resale value and help it sell faster. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, you'll still enjoy the benefits of a beautiful, efficient, and secure home for as long as you live there. Final thoughts. When it comes to boosting your Laurel home's value, comfort, and appeal, replacing your doors is a simple yet impactful upgrade. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and reducing maintenance, a new door offers long-term benefits you can't ignore. If your doors are showing signs of age, damage, or inefficiency, now is the perfect time to explore your options. Contact a trusted local door replacement professional in Laurel today to find the perfect solution for your home, and start enjoying the added value a beautiful new door can bring.